Good morning, Marianne here. So I've been working on my latest diamond painting. It's a vintage photo of my mother. So anyway, I had it sent off to Diamond Painting Pro. So I've never done this before. So it's was custom put together by them. So I don't know how they engineer and program it, but it's got several colors, and the photo only appears to have like 3 colors to me. So I'm not colorblind, but it's a black and white photo, so I don't know if they have a special program to make it come out. It looks good without the diamond art done. I mean, I have several drills. It's, just the one color of black is like 4,000 pieces. It's like, oh, how many? Oh, it says 3,100 and something, but they gave me like 5,000 drills. So I have plenty extra. But anyway, point of this video is usually when I've done my diamond art, because I'm pretty much a beginner, I've just been using the drills out of the baggies and trying to be as organized as I could with that. But this is a bigger project, so I ordered this kit, this toolkit. So it comes with 84 grids. So they're just like the size of a, well, I'd say it's even a little smaller than a Tic Tac bottle, but it's the same kind of design, where you could just open it up like that, so then you can pour it in your little tray. So it came with, it says it's 128 pieces, but I believe that includes all these labels. So I think they counted each individual label. So it comes with 84 of the little boxes, which I used quite a few of them for this project because some of the larger colors took, like this one took 5. So works pretty nicely. So I took my time and organized it all. I used the little labels on the baggies for this project, so I didn't have to really tap into many of the labels that they sent me. So that being said, it comes with the labels. It comes with 2 of the green boats that don't have the little spout. It comes with a few of the little baggies. So, if you get like one that doesn't have Ziploc baggies, you have some extra baggies if you need them. Two sets of tweezers. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 drill pins with the multi tip. And it has a little compartment for you to store all this stuff. And then 2 of the smaller ones. Put those away. And then it comes with 2. Get my hand in there. 2 of the spouted boats. I prefer the spouted ones because I'm not going to finish this project in one sitting. So obviously, if I go to put them away, I have the little spout to pour into the little container. The one thing it doesn't come with is some extra wax. So that being said, it has everything I need because my kit already came with this from the Diamond Painting Pro, which I really like these. I like when they send me these kinds with this gripper. But this didn't come with the toolkit. This came with my diamond art kit that I ordered from Diamond Painting Pro. So anyway, I'm going to put a link for this kit, which it closes like this. has little latches. They clip on. It doesn't have a handle, it has a gripper on each side. So, woo! So there's no handle on top, but I can just handle it by the grippers. And see, everything pretty much stayed in place. So that's what you get. I'll put a link. It's in stock right now, April 27th, 2021, on Amazon. And it came with Prime shipping, I believe. And it was, I think, $18.99. I ordered it back in February, but I just checked today and it's still in stock. So far I've been using it for a couple days and I love it. It's keeping me really organized because I wanted to get this done by Mother's Day, but it doesn't look like I'm going to because there's so many. I'm not one with the multi-drill thing, but I don't know if you can see, but it only goes like 2 or 3 at a time, so there's not, being that it's using 2 colors in this section instead of just 1, I'm just doing it singularly. So I gotta get back to work. I just wanted to share this with you. 128 pieces, but that's counting each individual label, and then 84 grid boxes to store your drills in. So thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please hit the like button and subscribe if you'd like to subscribe and see more from me. Thank you and have a great day.